Hi, my name is Christian with Ace Appliance out of Toledo, Ohio. Welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today we're going to be working on a Whirlpool Cabrio electric dryer. Customers' complaint is when they turn it on, put it on any cycle, we'll just put it on normal and push start, the sensing light comes on and it does not run. Now I was here yesterday, I had replaced the thermal fuse and the thermistor. Whirlpool recommends whenever you replace a thermistor, or the fuse goes out I should say, that they want you to replace the thermistor as well. So I did that yesterday, checked the airflow, everything was fine. I'm back out today, the fuse blew, and we need to find out why. The first thing we're going to do is pull it out so we can get to the heating elements or heating components that are in the back of the dryer.
Expensive. Yeah, go ahead.
The tools you would need to diagnose this repair is a flat blade screwdriver, a multimeter, a 1/4-inch nut driver, or a 1/4-inch drill bit. Okay. So the heating element, all the heating components are behind this back panel. To take it off, you have to take off several screws. So they're 1/4-inch. There's 3 on the side, on both sides, so that's 6. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 in the middle. Or 3 in the middle, I should say. So start removing all the screws. It doesn't matter what order you do them in. Once you've done so, once you're ready to remove the back panel, be careful, it's sheet metal, it can cut you very easy. Just pull up, move the cord out the way, and you can move this to the side. First thing we want to check is the thermal fuse. Whenever you're checking any of these heating components, you want to take off one wire, at least one wire. Thermal fuse is bad. Next thing we want to check is the high limit fuse. That is fine. Now the cycling thermostat. Which is fine as well. Now we're going to check the heating element. We're checking it both windings to ground. I'm not getting anything. This is the second winding to ground, nothing. And it is warming out correctly. Now right now we're not going to be able to shoot it because of the clearance that we have. I'm going to plug the unit in, not turn on the unit, but make sure it has power coming to it and see if I'm getting 120 volts down at the heating element that could be causing the fuse to blow. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now is using the jumper wire. I'm going to bypass the thermal fuse just so I could test to make sure that during the air fluff cycle the heater is not getting any power. So right now I'm checking for 220 volts coming to the heater. I should not be getting anything. You gotta be kidding me. I can't believe it. I really can't. So now we found out that the heater relay on the control board is stuck and it's sending power to the heating elements even in the air fluff mode. The air fluff mode is exactly what it says, air fluff. It doesn't use any heat. It just uses the air to fluff the clothes up. So in that cycle, it's sending power to the heating elements constantly. So whenever the motor is running, power is getting sent directly to the heater and it's causing it to operate, which is causing the fuse to blow. The diagnosis for this dryer is it needs a new main control board. The heater relay is sticking and it's sending power to the heater constantly, which is blowing the thermal fuse. So the main control board needs to be replaced. Okay. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.